Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more. Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Aljon, and with me is Christine Reyes.
Ayan mga kapamilya, andito po muli tayo para magpakitang gilas ang mga kupunan na magpapakitang gilas ngayong hapon na ito. Of course, Aljon, pag-usapan muna natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Sa side na ating UNC Greyhounds, ito na yung pangatlo nilang paglalaro dito sa ating Bucal Season 5 at wala pa po silang talo. Kaya naman kaabang-abang kung ano nga ba yung preparation na gagawin nila dito. Habang sa side naman ng ating PASACAO Academy, hindi pa sila nakakatikim ng panalo. Kaya naman, kailangan na nilang gawin ngayon ang lahat para makakuha ng panalo this season of Bucal.
In terms of their performances, sa dalawang team na ito, may nag-step up dito sa UNC Greyhounds. We have Cesar Antonio having a double digits in his performances on the previous games, being the best player of the game. At dito naman sa PASACAO Academy, we have Tres Valles, a rookie setter for this teams, but they know they are capable and doing more team.
Kaya naman talagang kaabang-abang ito. Dito
sumusubaybay sa atin ngayon dito sa 1 Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Another game, another powerful matchup naman ang matutunghayan natin ngayong araw. And this time, I'm here the side of UNC Greyhounds reporting exclusively. And who am I? I am Mary Bless Eliza Belen, ang maghahatid sa inyo ng siksik-liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na mga balita dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Mga kaibigan, kung mapapansin natin sa team standing, wala pang talo ang UNC Greyhounds for the season. 2 wins with great plays and amazing stats. So the question is, makukuha na kaya nila ngayong araw ang ikatlong panalo kontra White Tigers? Yan ang ating pakatutukan dito lang sa 1 Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thanks, Eliza. Greyhounds having a good and comfortable position in the standings, and coming from a win then, and also an experienced team having a lot of experience in Bucal and also a lot of tournaments. But we'll see if can UNC Greyhounds still keep their titles against PASACAO Academy. But dito naman sa side ng PASACAO Academy, although they lost against their previous games, however, Tres Valles and together with his team, talagang nagpapakita sila na no matter how rookie they are, talagang kaya nila mag-perform beyond our expectations. And to give us some updates, we'll call our courtside reporter, Amanda.
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. Another thrilling match on the court for the 5th week of Bucal Season 5 Men and Women's Volleyball. We are live here at Naga College Foundation Covered Court. I am Amanda Lazaro, all the way from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, at makakasama niyo ako ngayon sa side ng PASACAO Academy White Tigers. After losing the last game, the White Tigers are roaring for victory. According to Coach Jero, mas nag-focus ang team sa kanilang service, knowing that their last performance, a lot of errors has happened sa kanilang offense. Also, Coach Jero added that this game we will witness the dedication of the White Tigers as they represent their school. Before it ends, the team coach Rex added that they will work hard and better for this game. He also added that the experience and it's the opportunity that counts. Yan lang mga updates, kaya naman tutok lang here at Bucal Facebook page 1 Media 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Ayan nga, dito sa side ng ating PASACAO Academy, kailangan lang nila ng dedication and of course determination para naman may maipakita silang magandang laban. And of course, kahit nga yung kanilang weakness dito is yung kanilang height, dahil nga yung mga kalaban nila is malalaki, talaga naman nagpapakitang gilas naman sila dito at hindi na pag-iiwanan dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. Kaya titignan natin ngayong araw na ito, double up na ba yung kanilang magiging performance dito against the first runner-up UNC Greyhounds, as we are now going to start our set number 1 on the side of the PASACAO Academy. Jersey number 10, Nogot Aldwin, to serve. Now, Ampongan.
Now Proa, straight to the net. A cold start for him. Well, makikita dito natin ang starters ng UNC. All of them are seniors, having Cesar Antonio, their best player, and Proa.
Now again, Nogot.
Well, a back-to-back point for White Tigers.
Mukha talaga nagsisimula pa yung ating laban dito. 2 straight points coming from the PASACAO Academy. Let's see kung magiging consistent pa sila dito. Nogot again to serve.
That sails outside.
Now, Rico Huerta.
That was a low set for Hinto.
Now let's see. I'm very excited with this matchup between these two teams. Rico Huerta again. Three straight points coming from the UNC Greyhounds. 3 serving 2.
On the opposite, challenging the blockers and touch the net for White Tigers. A 4-0 run for Greyhounds.
As you can see, meron dito ang laban ng ating PASACAO Academy. There's an exciting game between these two teams. Now, Recoberta. Service ace coming from him. Now, 3 puntos agad dito ang nailamang nila against the PASACAO Academy. Recoberta for the nth time serving the ball for the side of the Greyhounds.
Combination play. An easy kill. A combination play. Ang bilis ng bola na yon. And also the blockers of PASACAO Academy team. Well, na-mention mo nga kanina ang height nila. Medyo hindi sila katangkaran. That's why it seems for me na pupunta talaga sa combination plays itong Greyhounds.
Yes, now let's see if they will be improvements here.
And a good point for Moico, challenging Ampongan in relay.
You know, with the past games of the PASACAO Academy, you can really see na malalakas yung kanilang atake. Nakukulangan sila dito sa floor defense and of course sa communication. Pero kapag nahasa itong mga batang to, maganda yung future na naghihintay sa kanila. Now, Proa.
Well, the coverage was there. And now a free ball. Combination play for Ampongan is good.
Tamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. With that strong attacks coming from Proa, Antonio, and the rest of the players of the Greyhounds.
Moico, free ball. Now, really on the opposite. A good defense. Cesar. And a good chase.
Grabe naman yung libero dito sa PASACAO Academy. Talagang hinahabol niya yung bola.
Well, the effort for
Yes.
PASACAO Academy talagang makikita mo, and knowing that they are high school team against college, but Bucal is regardless of your school and high school or college, pag Bucal talaga ito ang laban ng magagaling sa volleyball.
Lang hindi naman nagpapatalo itong ating PASACAO Academy. Hindi nila binibigyan ng madaling laban yung kanilang mga kalaban. And with that, with the libero of the PASACAO, medyo napalakas ata yung untog niya dun sa ulo niya kanina. I hope he's okay. Now we are back on the ball game with 9 serving 3. Proa will serve the ball now.
A good short ball for Proa, targeting the donut hole of White Tigers.
Now, straight points coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Pero they caught it with that error coming from Proa. So, a bonus point for the side of the PASACAO Academy. Now, on the line to serve, jersey number 9, Hinto.
Cesar had to adjust. Well, a miscue for White Tigers. Really on the opposite. Down the line is good.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds hindi nagpapakampante dito. And they are still giving their all with this game against the PASACAO Academy. Amponga now.
Well, the first point for Texon. Fresh from the bench.
Now that's an 8-point lead coming from the Greyhounds. Ampongan again.
Rile, smacking it through with no blocker.
Dito sa kanilang floor defense. And the UNC Greyhounds taking advantage of that. Again, UNC Greyhounds gaining a back-to-back point here on set number 1, making it a 10-point lead now. Ball.
Really again, breaking the blockers.
Now you can really see with that height advantage ng UNC Greyhounds dito. Free ball ibibigay.
And a good play and a good point for Cesar Antonio.
Serving 4.
Quick to Texon. Check at the pipe Proa. Changing his momentum.
Napatawag nga muli ng timeout dito sa side ng PASACAO Academy. Kanina pa sila dito nahihirapan sa kanilang floor defense. Hindi nila nakukuha yung mga bola na binibitawan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds talaga namang hindi din naman nagpapatalo and nagpapakitang kilas.
And talaga namang hindi talaga complacent dito ang UNC because knowing the Antonio is their first starters and pro, talaga nung pinasok talaga ni Coach Mac to really, see na talagang regardless of their opponent, mahina man o malakas, talagang gagawin nila ang best nila.
Parang they're treating their games, every game's a championship. You just really need to give your best here. Now, what will be the adjustment on the side of the PASACAO Academy at this point? Because only 8 points away, the UNC Greyhounds will get the set number 1.
At the pipe, a good pickup for Proa.
Now, that's a good point coming from the PASACAO Academy. Breaking that straight points of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Moiko to serve.
A good point there for Texon. For the double substitution for Greyhounds.
Now, jersey number 6 on the side of the UNC Bitancur.
A good attack
Yes.
for Nogot. Ang ganda ng attacking yon and Greyhounds are not expecting.
Yes. They just be consistent with that.
An over-receive and a good point, back-to-back point for White. That tails out for Cesar.
Nandiyo nang gigil na siya doon. Now back to 10-point lead.
Too much angle on that attempt.
Well, let's see. This is a turning point for the side of the PASACAO Academy. Cañeta.
In the middle, a donut hole. Wow, White Tigers.
Again, Nogot. Sayang yun dito kay Nogot. Now UNC Greyhounds still on the lead of 9. Antonio.
A miscue for Greyhounds and a point for White Tigers.
Now the PASACAO White Tigers. Jeron Salao.
A low set. And a violation for White Tigers. Well, 5 points away to close the set number 1 for Greyhounds.
Now 5 points away itong ating UNC Greyhounds at getting that set. Texon.
That was too close to the net for the attackers of White Tigers.
Yan, lagi nahahanapan dito ng butas yung PASACAO Academy. Now, Nogot.
That was out. Low risk action on that attempt.
22 serving 11.
Proa dug up on the middle. Soft touch is deflected. The drop ball is outside again. Sunod-sunod na unforced errors dito sa side ng White Tigers.
Now, 2 points away. 23-11. Texon.
That was in.
Now, set point na itong ating UNC Greyhounds. And they will get to set number 1. Bonus point for the side of PASACAO.
One match point save.
Now Nogot serving.
A good dive for White Tigers. Chows at the net. Inampongan called for touching the net. A 2 match point save din.
nahirapan yung UNC makuha yung isang puntos na lamang.
And that outside, 24-13, a comfortable lead for Greyhounds.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
And we are back again here at Oragon Sports TV for the set number 2 of the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the PASACAO White Tigers. Doon nga sa ating set number 1, Aljon, nakakuha agad ng UNC Greyhounds ang set na yan. And again, 12 by 25. Now we're starting our set number 2. 2 points na agad ang nasa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Well, that was a good sweep for the Greyhounds. And for our second set, 2-1. Well, now 2-all. First deadlock on the second set.
Now, what will be the adjustment on the side of the PASACAO White Tigers? Ngayon na talagang full force itong UNC Greyhounds when it comes to their attacks. Now, really a free ball.
An overreaching violation. For
now, Ampongan. And that's a service ace coming from him. Now with our set number 2, ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating PASACAO White Tigers to gain a momentum here? At this point, another point was given on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At para makita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the White Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda. Hi Amanda, update natin dyan.
Maraming salamat, Tin and Aljon. That was the end of the first in-house performance. White Tigers. The communication is taking inside the hard court. Kaya naman ang boycott sa Greyhounds on the first part of the game. Coach Michael reminded the team about their blockings, to be more attentive on their service at mag-focus on the first ball so that they can maintain the good play. With that, let us all stay tuned to witness their performance as they spike the ball against the UNC Greyhounds. Yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Amanda. So, first ball is the focus of PASACAO Academy. You know, the UNC Greyhounds really have a strong serves, but you know, nagsisimula talaga yung team sa magandang receive para makapalo ang White Tigers. And dito naman sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, lamang sila dito sa second set. And to hear more some updates, let's check in to Eliza.
What a wonderful set to open the game. Swabing-swabe ang mga galawang pinapakita ng players for that smash. All smiles at medyo kalmado pa nga sila on their side. Nagkakasundo pa mga players on maintaining a good communication and of course a good game. Now, let's see what will happen on the next set of this match. Kaya tutuklan dito sa 1 Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Yan munang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Ayan nga, kalmado pa itong ating UNC Greyhounds at this point na meron na nga silang 5 kalamangan against the White Tigers. And let's see, ano pa kaya yung gagawin nila dito para mas maging malaki pa yung kalamangan nila against the PASACAO White Tigers. And at this moment, Ampongan again to serve the ball for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Bola bibigay dito. Back-to-back free ball.
Well, that's a good block for UNC Greyhounds, sweeping the net.
Now, Ampongan. Point from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 2 serving 10. Not on either side of the UNC Greyhounds still dominating our set number 2. Ball still alive. Medyo nahihirapan itong ating PASACAO Academy with the communication between the players as well as to their offense.
Well, now, a 10-point lead for UNC Greyhounds. PASACAO Academy had to adjust, and that was a double touch for Tres Valles.
So kanina pa nga nagkakaroon dito ng violation on the side of the PASACAO Academy. They need to lessen that at this point. Ang free ball bibigay nila dito sa UNC.
Cesar Antonio way underneath that ball.
There's a chance for the PASACAO Academy to make a move. They're back again at 10-point lead itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Hinto serving.
And a net violation for White Tigers.
Now the UNC Greyhounds is almost halfway through this set number 2. A substitution on the side. Creanza papasok na dito sa loob for the UNC or for the PASACAO Academy. Double substitution dito. Triple substitution para dito sa side ng ating PASACAO Academy White Tigers. Now let's see. Ano kaya yung magiging gameplay dito ng PASACAO White Tigers to get a point against the UNC Greyhounds. Antonio, papahinga muna sa side ng Greyhounds. Now relay.
A poor first ball and still they got that point. Triple block is no good.
Sa studio ngayon, mag-serve ng bola for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 4 serving 16.
And that was a lucky point for White Tigers.
Five serving 16. An error again on the side. Now back a 10-point lead here.
Well, now Greyhounds chance to counter. One blocker only. And still, they got the point.
Now an easy set number 2 for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Texon.
Good coverage for Tres Valles. On the middle, check. Joust at the... And UNC Greyhounds got the point.
Now only 7 points para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Medyo nagkatawanan pa dito sa side ng PASACAO White Tigers with that last sequence.
And that was in.
Only 6 points away ang UNC Greyhounds to enjoy this set. While the PASACAO White Tigers still struggling here to convert a point. Now Texon again to serve.
And that was out.
A lot of error was committed on the side of the PASACAO White Tigers. Fast approaching ang ating set number 3 at this point.
Underhand set. Easy pickup for relay. That was outside the point for White Tigers. No wrist action there.
Now, a very big gap against the PASACAO White Tigers. They need to double their effort. But
Rotation.
yes,
Rotational error for White Tigers.
now a bonus point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, just 4 points away. Now, Huerta.
Just at the net. Kimpo tries to score but an overreaching violation was called to Greyhounds.
Ganda sana nung save doon ni Huerta. With the help of his feet. Now, Crianza.
A back-to-back point for White Tigers, 9-21. Still comfortable lead for Greyhounds. Check. Aurile, drop ball. And that was outside. Sayang save na yun ni Chris Calles.
Now, jersey number 16, Panambo. Only 2 points para dito sa UNC Greyhounds to end this set number 2.
One-handed set for Ampon. It's good.
Set point na muli dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Panambo.
And that ends our second. On One Media TV, Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back again for the third set. UNC Greyhounds now on the lead. Dalawang set na nga ang kuha nila. And if makuha pa nila to, they will get their third win for this season of Bucal. But on the other side, the PASACAO White Tigers, medyo nahihirapan pa rin sila dito para makuha ang momentum and communication. Now, para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, update natin dyan.
Teen and Aljon looking at each players, I can see how ready and determined they are to finish this match excellently. At napatunayan nga nila yan because for the set 2, nakuha nilang muli ang panadlo. Medyo malaki nga ang lamang ng Greyhounds sa set na ito, pero syempre, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang laban. Kaya tutok lang at tutukan natin kung tuloy-tuloy na ba ito hanggang set 3. Yan muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Teen and Aljon.
Thank you, Eliza. Well, ang ganda nga na pinakita ng Greyhounds, really dominating the first 2 set na were deadlocked at 1. At dito naman sa side ng White Tigers, kinukulang lang talaga sila in terms of their attacking because of their poor reception. However, ginagawa nila yung best nila to have a score and to give some updates all the way from White Tigers. Let's check in to Amanda.
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. That was an extreme and challenging set for the White Tigers, but then they are still kicking and spiking. The coaches are still reminding the players to reflect with their performance and bounce back on the third set. Kitang-kita nga natin kung gaano kalakas pumalo ang UNC Greyhounds, which leads the White Tigers na mahirapang habulin ang score. After the intense spikes and blocks, the White Tigers are still enjoying the game. Kahit malalaki ang kalaban, kaya namin makipagsabayan. Yan naman ang iniwan na mensahe ni Coach Michael bago matapos ang huddle. Yan lang mga update mula dito, lalaban ng White Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Gusto ko yung lalaban yung White Tigers dito sa ating submarine. They will bounce back for the third set. So now let's see what will be their adjustment. Kaya nila dito ang kanilang floor defense because at this point, 1 puntos lamang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. 3 serving 2. Now, Proa serving. Pero miscommunication between the players. Now, Proa again.
Full chance to counter for Greyhounds. A good kill for jersey number 1.
This will be an easy win for the UNC Greyhounds sa ating set number 3. But with that last sequence, an error was occurred by Proa. So a bonus point for the side of the PASACAO White Tigers. Now, jersey number 9, he will now serve.
Custodio again, breaking down the blockers.
At this juncture, it's a good avenue para dito sa ating PASACAO White Tigers para makapag-practice talaga sila dahil nga magagaling yung kalaban nila dito. Kanyeta.
Custodio on the side, and that was good.
Mainit nga dito si Custodio sa ating set number 3.
On the middle. Good pick up for Ampongan. Now chance to convert it into a point for White Tigers. Kanyeta. Balik sa kanya, and that one was wide.
Now, only 3 points para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 12, Moiko to serve.
Texon.
Ginawa niya ulit yung ginawa niya dun sa ating set number 1, but this time he failed. Outside yun. Moiko. An error. Very crucial one para dito sa PASACAO. Now, Kanyeta.
No chance to counter this for White Tiger. Sets it up to Custodio in 4 touches. Well, I didn't saw Custodio on their previous matches dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. And I think he's part of second stringers, and
Yes.
I think this is his first debut.
Talaga naman nagpapakitang gilas dito si Custodio. 3 points straight sa kanya-kanya dyan for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And back a 3-point lead ang UNC Greyhounds dito. Now Custodio.
A good point for Custodio.
Now again, is on the service line. 10 serving 6.
Too close to the net. Texan was there. That one was wide. A 6-point comfortable lead for UNC. And a timeout was called dito sa side ng White Tigers.
Nga Aljon, napakaganda nung laro dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Talagang maganda yung pinapakita nila dito kahit na kalaban nila ay PASACAO White Tigers. But on the other side, the White Tigers lumalaban din naman ito. Medyo nahihirapan lang sila sa kanilang floor defense and medyo napaparami yung kanilang error from set number 1 up until the set number 3. But this is a great avenue for them dahil nga sabi ko kanina, magagaling yung nakakalaban nila dito. Magandang practice to para sa kanila. And let's see what will be the improvement on their side for this season. We're back on the ball game as Studio again to serve.
Joust at the net. Another joust. Proa use the hands of the blockers to get a point.
(13-6).
And 4 touches was called to PASACAO Academy. Custodio still serving. And a clean hit.
Grabe, hindi alintana yung mga blockers dyan kanina.
That one sails outside. 15-7.
UNC Greyhounds only need 10 points to secure their win here.
Another poor reception. Now, Greyhounds. Pro had to adjust. Oh, 1-2 place. Good.
PASACAO White Tigers. No good.
Ampongan. Hammers it through. Quick attack is check. A 2 touches. For White Tigers.
Now, katakutan will be on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Easy score para dito kay Moiko. Lamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
And that was a crossing violation.
Now only 7 points. Lamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
And a lucky point.
Yes.
For Tresvalles.
Tresvalles serving again for the PASACAO White Tigers.
That one was out.
Now a good set number 3 para dito sa PASACAO White Tigers. Tresvalles again.
That one sails outside.
Only 7 points para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Soft touch galing dito kay Hinto. Now Hinto serving. Oh, that's a crucial error. Now Ampongan serving.
That was a lucky point. White only need 5 points to close this match.
Straight through the net. Nogot. Or apat na lamang kailangan pagtrabahuhin dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Ampongan. Free ball bibigay dito ng PASACAO. Texon with a strong enough. UNC is confident now to get this set and get their third win and still be number 1 on the ranking. Again, straight through the net. The error by the
for the side of the UNC Greyhounds to celebrate their victory this afternoon.
At the pipe, Cañeta sends it into free ball. Another free ball for White Tigers. Custodio. Check, but it was wide. A good point and a match point for UNC Greyhounds. Ampongan is still serving. At the pipe, good coverage. Custodio to end this match. Sent Snow. Chance to close this match for Cañeta. And Cañeta finish it with 25. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
best player of the game is brought to you by Wilpin Quality Printing Excellent Service, your printing partner since 1985. With me today is the best player of the game, jersey number 20, Really Gian Gino, na nakakuha ng 7 points, 6 attack, 1 block, and 1 service ace. Congratulations, Mr. Really. That was indeed a very smooth matchup between UNC Greyhounds and PASACAO Academy White Tigers. Ngayon, ito ang tanong ng marami. Ano nga ba ang alas o ano nga ba ang tinatagong ritual ng UNC Greyhounds because nakatatlong panalo na kayo ngayong season?
Siguro po, ina-apply lang namin yung ginagawa namin sa training and we're just enjoying each of our game.
Ngayon, ito gusto ko naman malaman, ano nga ba ang mga parang challenging part na nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds kontra PASACAO Academy?
Siguro po yung challenging part is yung nahirapan po kami i-maintain yung energy namin, yung energy from start up till the end.
Now, as the best player of the game, ito, you got the chance para batiin at pasalamatan lahat ng sumubaybay sa UNC Greyhounds ngayong araw.
Pinapasalamatan ko po ang mga nagsusuporta sa UNC Greyhounds and yung family ko po and yung mga taga-Limanan, mga kaibigan ko. Yun.
Yes, thank you so much and congratulations again, jersey number 20, Really Gian Gino. Mga kaibigan, this is just the second game for today, kaya tutok lang dito sa 1 Media 48 Naga Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Mary Bless Eliza Balan, your courtside reporter from the bench of UNC Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
And that was our best player of the game, jersey number 20, Gian Gino Really, with 7 points, 6 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service ace. A very good game coming from the UNC Greyhounds and still undefeated for this season of Bucal.
A good spot for UNC Greyhounds, having 3 wins and 0 loss. Congratulations, UNC Greyhounds. But up next, we have the women's division, NCF Tigers, the defending champion against the Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons. This has been Aljon.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, tutok lamang po dito sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.